with that group of barbarians, but please, have a little decency. Hey, sister, let's have some fun.
Good idea. Don't scream like that, child. Or should I say pup?
You'll pay for that. Sister! You...
Get out of here! You've got to get out of here. Can you stand?
Come on without me. I'll be okay. Those evil hounds don't scare me.
And what about me, White Wolf? Do I instill fear in your heart?
Oh, great. How am I supposed to get by now?
You move it.
How am I supposed to move this? It's huge!
What are you, a cub?
It's no use. I can't move it.
You don't move it with your body. You move it with everything you are. You move it with your soul.
All right. No more games.
You have come far, young warrior.
What is this place?
You're in the Cave of Dreams. Coda, take Basil and Yasmin and get them out of here.
I want to help
You
you.
listen to me right now, Coda. You have to run. You have to run and never come back to this place. Do you understand me?
But Mom...
Now!
Why? Why, Spirit? Why have you brought me here?
You must learn how to control yourself.
But I can't. I just...
You have to get your emotions under control, or you will die.
I don't think I'm strong enough.
Doing the right thing is what will bring you through the storm.
Wait! Come back!
Hey there, Stiff. How's the family?
I hate you.
Whoa. Lighten up, buddy. I was just kidding.
Whatever. I just want to get through this stupid chamber.
Alright. Simple. All you have to do is get through that.
There's no way I'm getting through that.
It's simple. You can never doubt any movement you make. You gotta own it. Oh, by the way, Boulder!
Okay, I did your stupid test. Am I done now?
Well, I was just starting to have fun. But we can always schedule another playdate in the future.
Now, it's time for your rebirth.
Well, this is it.
You are now what is known as a Hallowed. With this, you have a new name. Coda, you are now known as Arrow. And you will bear these red marks in your fur to symbolize everything you've given up to gain this power. You have struggled in the past with your fear and emotions. When you are at your most powerful form, the Hallowed will take over your body. Your fear will leave you, as will your emotions. Permanently. Only use your most powerful form when you're ready to give up the things you love most.
Damien! We have a situation!
Mika! Zoda! What did you do with Zoda and Mika?
We slaughtered them, just like we're going to slaughter you.
How could you?
Listen to me. I want you to work this gem for me. We need you to be a sacrifice for us. That's all we want. If you do this, I'll leave your friends and family alone. No ifs, ands, or buts. One life for many. What do you say?
I can't trust you to keep that promise. Besides, how am I supposed to know what happens when you kill me? I could be helping you do something even worse. No, I refuse.
She's been taken.
Oh no, he
See
didn't.
how big my fangs are.
Really?
Hopefully by only bringing a few of us, we'll be less of a threat.
Why are they here? What are they doing here?
What's this?
They aren't pack.
I, Damien, descendant to the Power Twist Pack and current lone wolf, challenge Alpha Zep from the pack of case violation.
What grounds do you have to come here and challenge me during our gathering?
On the grounds that I need every strong wolf I can find to take down the Death Alpha. I have a plan to take him down, but first I need allies, so we came here. Do you accept my challenge?
I don't get it. Why don't they just kick us out? Why are they even letting us in here if only pack wolves are allowed?
Simple. It's their pack law to accept all challenges. It matters little who issues the challenge. If an alpha doesn't accept the challenge, then he's willingly giving up his role to the challenger.
Why didn't he go to each territory individually? Why humiliate himself like this? I mean, no offense, but he isn't as young as he used to be.
Damien has every intention of getting as many wolves to help in the battle as he can. That's why he's planning on fighting all four of them.
Well, that's suicide.
Yeah, just like that. Pin him.
You guys are in for it now.
We will follow you.
I, Damien, descendant of the Power Twist Pack and current Alpha of case violation, challenge Alpha Gunther from the pack of Sacred Light.
You know, it's really irritating when some lone wolf can come right in here and start ordering around all of the alphas like he owns the place. Makes me sick. You honestly think your little plan will work? Face it, you're leading case violation in your band of wanderers a certain death. You've got no chance.
You're a coward, Gunther. The Death Alpha will affect all of the packs. It's a shame that a lone wolf like me has to step in and lead, when the actual alphas lay back and allow the carnage that's going on to continue in their backyard.
How dare you, you mongrel! You pretentious corpse. Alpha Deleth, Alpha Vector. I don't have a doubt in my mind that this lowlife will challenge you next. So how about we all settle for a wager?
What is it, Alpha Gunther? We don't have all day and I would like to go home and hunt eventually.
Can't be.
I'm sure this will be much faster. How about all three of us play with him? I mean, fight him. And if he wins, we'll go along with his foolish plan. But if we win, he's banished. And that includes from Baronland. He and his hopeless pack will have to run far away, so we're never bothered by him again.
That's a bit harsh.
I'm in. I'm tired of all this fighting. And if this makes them leave quicker, then whatever.
Alpha Daleth, you can't be serious. The poor guy is half dead as it is.
It doesn't surprise me that you have a soft spot for him.
Why would you say that?
Because you're my brother.
My brother died a long time ago. I'm in too.
What about me?
If we win, Zep gets his leadership as well.
If that's what you wish. Lightning, don't interfere. This is a fight amongst leaders.
But Damien...
That is in order.
Why would you give your life to such a pointless cause?
Everything I do is for my family. I would think you would respect that.
Stop! If you wish, brother, I will be their opponent. After all, a fight amongst alphas is a fight amongst alphas.
Thank you.
Come on, Damien!
Peter, you've got this! Pin him!
Sorry, Alpha Vector, but I can't let you win right now.
You have become a good leader indeed. But will you die for your cause? I'll look after your family.
So be it.
What are you doing?
Sacred Light will help you.
You can't be serious.
Shut up, Zeb! He was willing to die for his cause. The least we can do is listen to his plan and see if we can help.
Case violation is also on your side.
Daleth, you copycat! Always swayed by Alpha Gunther's ways.
Do you have a better plan? We all know how dangerous this will be. Blood will be spilled without a doubt. I just want to make sure every drop counts.
Hey, don't worry about it. I know you and I aren't related, but I always thought of you as kind of a brother, and I protect my family.
I don't know what to say.
You can shower me with adoration later. Let's just win this war, okay?
I intend to.
Leader!
You aren't in any condition to fight.
It'll take more than a little scratch to stop me.
I can lead your group. Just tell me what I need to do, and...
But you're only a pup. I must lead my comrades into
If you go out there, you'll just be in the way! We can't look after you and fight too!
How dare you? I can look after my...
I want to rip the flesh off my pack's murderer first.
That can't be, Arrow. Your destiny is not to defeat the Death Alpha.
I won't allow them to push my family around while I sit back and let someone else lead.
I suppose it won't do any good to argue with you. Lead well.
Well...
I'd rather die, sir.
How dare you speak to the leader
Hush. I respect you. None have ever spoken to me in this way, except the Ghost Terror Pack and your brother. They're all dead now. You're either the bravest wolf in the world or the stupidest. Now on to business. You there, beat her down a bit. Kill him.
Long time no see, friend.
You're right. Last time I saw you, you were whimpering with your tail between your legs and running away. Now back off before you get hurt, puppy.
Arrow, you don't have to do this. Run away, there are too many.
I'm tired of running. You won't touch her, you sniveling dog.
And who's gonna stop me?
You're looking at him.
You couldn't stop a paperback blowing in the wind, let alone evil itself. Oh, you're too good. Stopping me. I'll give you a taste of my powers. I'm sure you're well acquainted with them.
Only use your most powerful form when you're ready to give up the things you love most.
What is this?
My turn.
Your judgment has come.
Impossible. I killed all the Hollowed.
You can't kill a force of nature.
But I can try. You think you can stop me that easily? That's no fun. I want you to squirm before I kill you.
This one does not have defeat in its future.
We'll see about that. I guess I have killed a force of nature.
You have defeated this one. More will fight instead.
Say hi to Zoda for me.
Sorry. Oops, my fault. Yeah, I'm gonna pay for
Reina?
that. Oh, sorry about that. Sorry, my bad. Whoops. Mia? May?
How's our sister been?
Why must you live in the past?
Relax, sister. You have plenty to fight right here.
May! Stop it! Stop! You're hurting her!
Shut up, Mia. If you cave, then they win.
But May, your baby.
You're pregnant?
Where's the big mouth who killed my leader?
Watch who you're calling Big Mouth, meat for brains.
You will pay dearly for your mistake.
Yeah. Worth it.
Reina!
Get away! Anything but the face! Cobalt out! I am outie! They do not pay me enough for this!
That's how you jump a log.
What are you guys doing here?
Had to make a quick delivery.
I'm going to kill you right now.
Why aren't my powers working on you?
You've taken everything from me. My brother, my friends. Ugh.
You know, we could have been something, you and I, but now you're nothing but a waste of skin. I had a deep suspicion that you would use the Stone of Souls against me, which of course frees the souls from inside their caged states and allows the user of the stone full access of their powers. And as you can tell, all of those souls outmatch my power just enough to count for something. Don't act so surprised. I'm really not as dumb as you might have guessed. I understood the risks, I anticipated your reluctance, and managed to get myself some unexpected insurance, so to speak. He has a much weaker heart than you. So easy to make him do my bidding. Kill her.
I should cut you open right now.
Stop it! Move aside!
Are you crazy? Face it, Kara. Look at his eyes. He's gone.
I forgive you for leaving Alador and me when we were pups. Do what you like, but you're not allowed to walk out on me again. I knew as soon as I saw you that you're my dad.
Tell us about the legends, Dad.
I think you're a little young for that.
Please, oh please, Daddy, we want to hear it.
Well, alright, but don't tell your mother.
We promise.
Okay, listen closely, little pups. It all started when the souls had no place to call home.
You're my hero, Dad. One day, I want to be just like you.
You told us about souls, and how each species has a different stone to go into when they die. You remember. You told us about the legendary pure heart. How anyone could be the pure of heart and not even know it.
I have lived a full life. Kill me before I lose control again. The spirit he put inside me is too strong for me to control.
What? No! I can't let you go yet! I just got you back!
Kara, I have made many mistakes in my past. But what's going on right now is bigger than any individual. So do what is right. You are my daughter. I would much rather die by your fangs than succumbing to the evil of this world.
Damien!
Do it now. Show everyone what honor and dignity really looks like.
You want Daddy to live, don't you?
After him!
He's dying.
Arrow. I love you.
My time in this place has come to an end. I will now depart from this mortal world.